Are you struggling to manifest a big desire? And you've tried lots of different things and you are getting sick of it. Well, if that's the case, in this video, what I'm going to do is go through steps, how to do this, and explain the process. And let's see if you can apply it to what desire you have currently going on. Now, whenever you go over in your mind a negative event and you imagine the worst possible outcome, what happens is you reproduce the same chemistry in your mind and body just as if the event was happening again. Okay, Neville calls it reinfecting yourself with the past. Okay, and the body then thinks it's happening right now. And Abraham Hicks says, and she says it many, many times, it's a focus-based universe. So these tie in together. Many of us recreate our negative emotional state by thinking about these past things. Okay, we say, I do want to change, but we default to what's stored inside of us. And the body holds these in. It's like the body is like a suitcase and it accumulates all these events. Okay? The body prefers what's familiar. Guilt, anxiety, worry, and the new, the unknown, manifesting this desire, is an unfamiliar place emotionally. Okay? But how do we change this? How do we work through this? How do we make this happen? When we meditate, we often get distracted. Okay? What's on the shopping list, what we need to do for our boss, etc., etc. This is our mind and emotions that don't really like to change, okay? To change our present and our future, meditation is a good vehicle, okay? Because you can pull your attention away from the outside world, the outside things that are going on, and you go into meditation, especially with breathing and surrender, to start off, and then don't worry, many of us get disturbed minds, unfocused minds, minds that wander. I've been meditating 30 years, still happens to me. It's not a big deal. You just pull your attention back, it pulls itself away, you just bring it back, and you don't have a big judgment about it. It's just the monkey mind, okay? So what happens is when you just keep working at this, you begin to improve changing your situations, okay? By practicing the living in the end, as Neville talks about, and focusing on the desire, focusing on the glass half full, focusing on what you want rather than talking about what you don't want with your girlfriends or your family, whoever it is, you give that up and you use the time to focus on your desire. As in, you mentally focus on it, imagine it, and then the emotions can start to change, which is what you really want, because you want those emotions anyway from getting the desire, so why not have the emotions first? So ask yourself, what kind of person do I want to be? You close your eyes, you disconnect from the outside world, and you mentally imagine your beautiful desired outcomes. You might use a meditation. I will put some meditations down below for you. I've got a whole meditation channel separate to this. If you just go to YouTube, put my name, put meditation, and then put whatever topic you want, I've got some meditations that will take you through very specific topics. And you can find those topics on the meditation channel. Okay? Now, imagining is a way to use your mind to create rather than to react to situations, whatever's going on right now that you don't like. Okay, so you stop watering the plant of unwanted and you start to plant and cultivate new little seedlings, and those plants will grow if you water them through imagining. Okay, and it's that focus with more calm, with a more relaxed self, a more surrendered self. That's when you can really start to create, okay? And I know it's not the easiest state to get into, that relaxed state, but this is why we practice. And you can practice pretty much every day, even for 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. but it's developing that more relaxed, surrendered state to go into meditation. Okay, and then what happens is it smooths out those areas on the outside that are not working. This is the way to a happy life, a happy romantic relationship life, a fulfilling work life, a fulfilling body, as in your health, and anything else that you desire. Okay, it's using your mind to create a future rather than recreating a past that wasn't to your liking by going over and over it negatively and going over the unwanted experiences, because that never gets you what you desire. Okay, you're basically teaching and training your body. Now, emotions are the language of the body, and you're doing that by focusing your mind first. Okay, that's where it starts. And thoughts are the language of the mind. Okay, and you teach your body to really experience the emotions before you manifest the desire. And then, because it's a focus-based universe, as Abraham Hicks says, and you practice living in the end, as Neville says, and he talks about everyone's you pushed out. I will put that playlist down below for those of you that are not well versed in it, or those of you that would like to revisit it. All of these are like different links on a chain. Okay, and the more you understand these things, you can pull forward the links that you need right now. So I have done also a part 1 to this. I will add that in the description down below. And I will also add some manifesting videos for you. This is only part 2 of this little series. I am going to talk about this in more depth because this is quite a lot of information. So I've decided to break it up into parts for you. Okay? So let me know your thoughts. Let me know where you're up to with your big desire. And let me know which parts you're applying and you're making some headway, or which bits you're getting stuck on. Okay? Lots of love, everyone. And I will see you in the next YouTube.